So interesting. The way that they move is so fascinating.
It's how slow and gentle and graceful they move.
Yes.
Hi, pretty babies. I love you. Why are you so pretty, huh? Am I scaring you being too close? They're like, abort, abort, abort.
Is this one a baby? Do you
Giant
think?
fleshy monkey things are walking too close. It does look littler, doesn't it? It's a little baby. Where you going, big guy? Following your other one? Hi. Hey, that one wasn't as brown as turning brown on us. That was so cool. I didn't even notice it was different.
Look at his tail with the little like ring on the end. Can you see
Oh,
that?
it's called a prehensile tail because it can like grab things.
Yeah.
I think the word's prehensile. Prehensile? Or
Look at
something.
it. It's in like it's such a cute little spiral.
It is so cute. Hi, babies. You're hiding from us? That's okay. I understand. Someone in here? Oh, nobody's in there.
Female mouse, male, and male. Oh, and these are more mice.
More mice, more babies. Hi, babies. What are you doing? Hello, pretty boys. What are you doing? Why are you so cute, huh? Why are you so cute, huh? Yeah. What are you looking for? Where are you going? Oh, look at those big old testicles. Jesus, mice have big old balls. Jesus, did you see those? The fuck? Those are huge. Good.
They actually recommend that you get them fixed.
I bet.
They can get cancer.
Oh, okay.
Male and female rodents.
Interesting.
And you can see, can you see her little leg kicking?
They're having dreams. They're having little dreams. Do you see the little dreams? They're just dreaming babies. They're dreaming babies.
She's getting kicked in the head. She's like, oh,
Yes.
oh sweet.
How dare you be so cute?
Mama-chan. Oh my god, hi little guy. Hi little mousy poo.
I love you. This bird is too cute. Yeah, he's like, bitch, put the camera down. Don't film me. I'm for your entertainment, not for your Instagram, you dumb bitch.
Green cheek conure. I've never heard of a conure specifically before, but I'll have to look them up.
Too fucking cute.
Yeah, you're a smart boy, huh? Yes.
I need to own you. I wish I could. I'd give anything to own you. You know that? I'd give anything to make you my baby. My little baby. My little baby. Do you want to be my little baby? Do you want to be my little baby? Please? Will you roll on your belly for me again? That was really cute. I bet if you roll on your belly again, TikTok will give me $1,300 and I can go get you. Yeah? Do it. Social media works in mysterious ways. Roll on your belly again, do it. Yeah, yeah. What are you doing? Hi, I love you. I love you. Are you throwing your food at me? Yeah, break it open. Can I have the shell? Or is it for you to eat? It's for you to eat. You're hungry, huh? Mm-hmm. Someone's hungry. Why are you so cute? I can't. I literally can't. This one got on its belly too. It was like rolled over for a hot second. He's too cute. Hi, I love you. I love
Citrus is a sun conure.
And Citrus is a star, baby. Citrus is a star.
Beautiful.
Citrus is a star, baby.
Oh, yeah. She likes to play.
Likes to play.
I don't know if she's a girl or a boy, but she's giving me sound energy.
Right?
I don't mean to misgender you, my dear.
We love you, baby Citrus. We love you. And we love Ember too. Yes, what are you doing down there? What are you doing, silly goose?
I wonder what that behavior is.
I do too. What if, like, are you trying to fight me? What if it's like pissed? It's like, fuck off, fuck, get the fuck out of here, motherfucker.
I don't know.
Hi,
maybe.
Citrus. Hi. Hi. I love you. I love you, Citrus. Tell TikTok to give me $1,300 so I can come get you. Yeah. Do it. I love you, Citrus.
Cockatiels. Hi, Pearl. Hi, Pearl. Hi, Mama.
What are you doing, silly goose? Why are you so cute, huh?
Hi, pretty girl.
Hi. Hi. Yeah. You're the cutest in the whole world, Citrus. Everyone's gonna love you, and then I'm gonna come by you. Lyric actually might fucking kill me, but...
Hi, pretty.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah. I love you. I love you with all my heart.
Did you know that our range of Playology toys all have their patented incandescent technology that provides long-lasting scents to keep your dog interested in the toy? Playology toys provide hours of
Good girl, Citrus. Or good boy. Good whatever you are.
and make you use the perfect
I love you.
She loves to snuggle.
I love you.
Hi. I love you. I love you.
You hungry? You're a hungry boy. You're a hungry girl. I love you. I'm in love